input-output elements are placed. This is most common on consumer applications, and you'll mainly see it on programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They allow the user to quickly access parts of the application, like different functions. And it can also help new users understand how to use the program more, and adds to the, it makes the program more intuitive. Since it allows the use of icons, it can also be easier for, like, you don't need to know special hotkeys to do certain features with the program. Then next is menu. So menus are collections of functions that the user can choose from. Menus aren't as open as toolbars, and they're normally separated into different categories, and they're usually used for more advanced features of the program, such as file management. So normally menus will be used to control the save and open functions with the program. Like in PowerPoint, when you want to make a new presentation, you'll go through a separate menu. Dialog boxes. Dialog boxes are temporary windows that communicate information to the user, and may also have inputs as well, which allow the user to, which gets prompts the user for a response. So when you want to print something on with the application, you'll see a window like this pop up, and it makes it much easier to see all the inputs you need. They're also used when in security for your computer, when you want to verify if, for example, if you want to open something with admin privileges. So dialog boxes are normally opened through menus and can go into further detail about the method you want to carry out. So a GUI is an interface that displays the computer's graphical or the computer's information graphically. And the GUI will be comprised of these three things I've said before: the toolbars, the menus, and the dialog boxes. And a GUI is one of two ways of presenting features of a program, the other being a command line interface. And a GUI is just very easy to use for new users and doesn't require any previous knowledge on how to use the program. This is most common in applications nowadays, especially consumer applications. And then command line interfaces. So these aren't as, this is just a terminal where commands can be inputted, and they're not as intuitive as a GUI because the user needs to know specific commands to do what they want. But it can allow experienced users to complete tasks much faster with much more precision. And command line interfaces are mainly only seen in programming IDEs, or can also be seen when doing maintenance tasks.